Now we see Figo now taking up that right wing position, and Sheen playing a lot closer. Chance again.
আবার সুন্দর বাঁচালো ভাস্কর রায়।
Was so near to create a moment, but again a great outing from Bhaskar Roy. They're still putting on pressure to the far post.
এবার আসিস গোসা হলো না, গোলে ঢুকে গেল।
Here comes the man, the number 7.
গোল সমতা ফিরে গেল। শিলং লাজং 1, নর্থ ইস্ট ইন্ডিয়ান নেভি 1।
What a moment they've created. Did it go down directly? We'll just have to check, but the scoreline is level here at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, and the crowd is vibrant, erupting into joy. And Tavaid Val has scored the equalizer with that exquisite touch. And they had a brilliant attack earlier where the keeper did well, but on this occasion, as the Knights floated that cross in, it's just evaded everyone. Bhaskar Roy's just lost it in the flight. We've seen it a couple of times here in Shillong. Just sometimes lose the flight of the ball and it's just curled into the back post. He hasn't intended to score. Figo was looking to get on the end of it, but he won't be complaining. And it's Damait Panglang Lingo with the equalizer. And now the crowd erupts. Maybe they're pressing hard to get that lead goal. But defended once again. Gladdy also moving into the space. So now the crowd is absolutely alive. You can hear the bits of the drums. They just didn't let up. Committing numbers forward, and that's where he found the mate finding himself in an advanced position. Swung across him. And to be fair, even if maybe they're going for the kill, but Damait for Lindo, just 21 years of age. And what an important goal he has scored. Just a second lie down and take the beating. They can all just fight back. They've shown their character in the last game against the Tiddim Road Athletic Union. Yeah, we saw. Now they'll regroup themselves now. They've got the likes of Brito on. They've got substitutes they can bring on. They will look to try and get that goal back in the lead in this game. Oh, there's that long throw. Trying to keep it in play. Figo. Good long ball. Again, defending well. Rajesh Giri is having a wonderful game. And Navin Gurum. But is also a Shillong Lajong product. Kidbok. Muda. Winning it back. Vijay is on a booking. Has to be careful. Denny Singh up against a little challenge from Frankie Puam. And Denny has been quite circumspect this evening. Yeah, the tough challenge. As soon as Frankie Puam switched over onto that flank, he's had a very, very busy evening dealing with. Frankie Puam was got the better of him on a couple of occasions, but hasn't managed to make it out. Shinshakton tried it on the turn. Shielded the ball so very well and came so close to get that lead goal. It's all happening here at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong. And this is the first quarterfinal of the 134th edition of the Indian Oil Touring Cup. It's come vibrant. And this young boy is certainly up for the challenge now once the substitutions were made, finding himself in a more central position. Seems to enjoy that. Experienced striker has played more than 40, almost 50 games for Shillong Lajong. Inside the Reds. I think the likes of, we're just talking about Sheen, who's a journeyman, but one of the more experienced players in the Shillong Lajong side, and he Had some of the best chances to score a goal tonight, so won't be surprised to see if he is the one to get the winner for Shillong.
Again, the final happening 15 minutes. And could be the injury time.
काइट आ गया था.
Still, Stephen even here has done so very well. Not a very good touch, Brito. Managed somewhat. Vijay losing possession. Back again, Tinto. Mahaka looks to the right, transfield pass. And Roshan Tanda controls. A very good instep of the right foot. Look at that. He has a trickery. Looks for support. The Navy very patient build up. Sival, a lovely catch.
A lovely take by being crossed into the box. Roshan Panda has certainly been impressive. The youngster for Navy certainly looks like a find.
লাইক করে দিন, লাইভটি শেয়ার করে দিন.
Again, lovely turn, Shin
আমার
Shot.
ফেসবুক অ্যাকাউন্টটি পিন করা আছে, কমেন্টে ফলো করে দেবেন.
Trying to torment the defenders. And is this Cauldron heading for more drama? Are we heading for a shootout of penalties? Ever Brightson Sana
Penalty
contact
পেয়ে গেছে.
inside the area. And Pratik Mandal has no hesitation in pointing to the dreaded spot. What a great turn that. The Navy players are protesting, but definitely a decision well made by Pratik Mandal.
Yeah, we've seen that on a couple of occasions this evening when the ball's been played into Everbrighton Sana. He's so sharp on the turn. He's just got such a little just drop of the shoulder and manages to just pivot so easily and turn on a dime. And on this occasion, as he's done it, we'll have a look on the replay. My first instinct was he went down a little bit too easily to con the referee, but it certainly was contact. He did get his legs trapped around Navin Gurum. I think once this contact, Pratik Mandal in a very good position, the referee, to give that, to make that decision. And now the youngster who's been fouled, pressure's on. Can he step up and put the penalty away against the experienced Bhaskar Roy?
লাইক করে দিন.
8 Durand Cup match that Pratik Mandal is officiating, and this is the second penalty he has awarded in his career. And now a bit of mind game here. It's as always. Ever Brightson Sana. Bhaskar Roy. Just one clean sheet
দেখা যাক সেভ করতে
so
পারে
far
কিনা.
in the tournament. Sana gives the lead goal for the Shillong Lajong. And the Reds are leading here. And that
CR7
celebration,
সেলিব্রেশন হয়ে গেল. সানা করলো
he wears a
CR7
number 12
সেলিব্রেশন.
jersey.
সিউ.
But that is so akin to the number 7 worldwide. Scoreline has changed here. Indian Navy 1, Shillong Lajong 2. And could be they're taking the game away.
Where it was cool as you like. You wouldn't have thought that this young man, just 20 years old, ice running through his veins with all the Navy players trying to put him off. The crowd playing, keepers guess the right way, but you go low and you go hard. Very, very difficult for the keepers to save it. Much to the delight of Virendra Thapa. Whatever he said at half-time certainly seems to be working. And you could see him now saying to his defenders, concentrate.
Now might be the third one coming. He lined it up. Body slightly off balance. And that went wide. Could have got the third goal. And is it going to be a rerun of the last season's semi-final? Should the Highlanders win the quarter-final 2 again?
A little bit. Get the ball up the field in now. Just a minute and whatever extra time. I think Mandal is going to look to add on that.
Quite unnecessary chance for acrobatic.
ভালো অ্যাক্রোব্যাটিক অ্যাটেম্পট ছিল.
A card shown to Roshan Panda. Shows a bit of frustration. The final 30 seconds here at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong. It's all happening. the Indian Navy do the Paris Saint-Germain way here?
ক্ষমতায় কি আর
As they
জিততে
did
পারবে?
come back from a 2-goal deficit in the finals of the UEFA Super Cup. Roshan Khanna, the confirmation.
খেলা শেষ।
And no time left here. Shillong Lajong once again.
পরবর্তী খেলা সন্ধ্যা 7টা থেকে নর্থ ইস্ট ইউনাইটেড এফসি ভার্সেস বোরোল্যান্ড এফসি। লাইভ নিয়ে হাজির হবো আবার সন্ধ্যা 7টায়।
This crowd would celebrate deep into the night because it's sheer joy. It's ecstasy.
From 7 p.m.
And the mountains
onwards,
would reverent with
Boland
their
FC versus North East United FC
great
live
performance that they put up.
on
They
my
were trailing,
channel. Please
came
subscribe,
back
do
from
subscribe.
equalizing. Finally, they got the better of the Indian Navy. The final full-time score here: Indian Navy 1, Shillong Lajong 2, and they are into the semi-final for the third time in their Children Cup history.
They can hear the jubilant Shillong Lajong fans and the Lajong anthem ringing out in the stadium.
এই চ্যানেলটি
Terrific
সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখুন,
performance.
চ্যানেলে লাইভ হবে।
Really